Not too shabby, isn't it? This is my pet project and I've been working on this. I had a version a few months back which I wasn't really happy with, so this past week I've been working on this. About 4 days worth of learning Arduino involved in this. Well, as you've seen, it's a dolly. It's a DSLR dolly. What a difference. But I can't tell you more about it for now because it's not ready yet. I've released my files to my Patreons. I'll release everything else to the public once it's nice and polished, which should be a couple of days. So hang in there. For now, that's it. So it's time for another Mailday Wednesday. I think the focus is okay. I think the microphone, yeah, that seems fine as well. So, you know what? Actually, I'm going to check the focus once again. Let me just leave this here, and I'll be right there. Yep, focus is all good. So, as I was saying, still have a few packages coming in. There's only 4 today. I've received a lot of emails about packages possibly taking a long time, which I completely understand, especially if they're coming across the pond outside of Europe. They tend to take longer, and then they go into customs and they wait for me there, and then customs decide to open the package, and then customs decide to send me a letter to explain what's in the package, and then I send an email to customs and tell them what's in the package, and then they check once again if what I told them is in the package is actually in the package. They decide or not whether it's worth their time and hassle to charge me anything, which usually with these packages they don't, and then they send it off to my PO box, and then once I go to the post office I pick up the stuff from the PO box and then I get it here. Once in a while, like for example this box right here, it tends to sit at the post office for about 2 weeks because they misplaced the box. But alas, we're back here. So we're going to start opening, and the first box is from Lisa Anderson. Lisa sent us a white part number 103, very nicely printed. I'm gonna say a Mark II or Mark III. Hi Joe, thank you for letting me participate in the mural. I am still new to printing and I'm having fun learning this hobby. I printed part number 103 on my new Mark III, haha, in Maker Geeks Pearlescent Starship White PLA. I hope it looks good, Lisa Anderson. Lisa also sent a self-addressed envelope, and yes, it looks extremely good. The one reason why I tend to recognize like Prusa prints, there's just something about a pattern that is visible on the side of each print coming out of the Mark III. When it's a straight edge, there's this pattern, and it kind of always tells me this was a Prusa. But either way, it actually looks really good, so well done Lisa, and thank you very much. Next package is from Austria, and it's from a Printer Pro. I think it's Matthias. Matthias is, I'm not sure if he's the owner of a Printer Pro. He actually did send me an email to take part in the mural, so I'm not biased. I'll let him take part. And the part is finally here. So we, okay. So, some stickers as well. We've got some Printer Pro stickers. We got a part, a beautifully printed part, number 136. And this is a bottle of printer stick. Well, a bottle. It's not like a stick of a printer stick? Yeah, anyway. So, this is bad adhesive glue. It works very much like Magic Glue. It works exactly like Magic Glue. It's actually really good. I really like it. I think I have about 4 bottles because, well, I use this as well. I'm not biased. Even though Magic Glue are sponsors, I still try other products, and if they're good, I still tell you if it's good, and this is actually very good. So thank you very much, Printer Pro. You can never have enough bad adhesive glue. So next box, I've been looking forward to this box. So this is from Jeffrey Wright, and if you don't know who Jeffrey is, he runs a YouTube channel called Print 3D Channel, and last year, I think it was last year, he spent a whole year every single day uploading a video on his channel. And I have no idea how he did it because I struggle to upload 2 to 3 videos a week. So take some time and go check him out. If you're not subscribed already, you really should. I'll leave links in the video description. Now, back to the package. The reason why I'm excited to open this package is because Jeffrey promised me something, and I'm hoping he delivered. He delivered. So let's read the letter first. I'll show you guys what's inside in a second. Hey Joe, thanks again for sharing this awesome community project. I can't wait to see the finished mural on the wall, and thanks for letting me be a part of this as well. The package contains 2 prints for part number 23. The reason was the first print, I used the heated bed and there was some odd shrinkage at the bottom and leftover carbon fiber PLA on the Buildtech, and that transferred onto the print. So I printed another using different filament and no heated bed. The 2 prints are marked as to what filament, but I can give you the details here as well. The first print with the carbon fiber residue is using Make Shaper PLA using your required settings for printing. The second print is using Amaze 3D red PLA with the required settings as well. Obviously, pick whichever you want to use from the mural, my friend. I also included some yummy candy, hopefully it didn't melt en route to you, and a Print 3D channel keychain, as I think you already have a sticker for me. Thanks again, Joe. You are such a huge asset to the community, and I'm very proud to call you my friend. Happy making, Jeffrey Wright. Thank you very much, Jeffrey. I'm really hoping that I get to see you again sometime soon, hopefully. Maybe Bay Area Maker Faire next year. Fingers crossed. See. So, let's start with the parts. I don't wanna I'm gonna contain myself and not open everything else first. So the first part is, this is the Amaze 3D. This is part number 23. And this is the other part number 23. Okay, so the bottom, I can see where that happened, but that's not a problem because that will be covered. Ooh, as a color, I don't know, I'm torn. They both look really well. So once I have the mural set out, I can see which one leaves the most contrast with the ones next to it, and we'll be choosing that. Oh, this is an awesome keychain. See, Print 3D channel. Go check them out. And then we have Reese's miniature cups and Reese's pieces. And Jeffrey knows I absolutely love anything that is Reese's, so thank you very much, Jeffrey. Last but not least is a box from Jean-Michel Ruiz. This has been sitting in the post office for over 2 weeks because they had no idea it was there. This is a big box and it's extremely well packed. Ooh, wow. Ooh, this is, felt like I saved the best for last here. It's gonna be an interesting box. Hi Joe, first of all, sorry for being so late. I have printed the part a long while ago, but didn't want to send it before having written you a letter. And I also had to make you a plate after having seen your last video. You know, procrastination. Yes. Take out the plate. Okay, take out the plate. I have instructions. I'm taking out the plate. Oh, this is just, I love it. I love this. I love this. I absolutely love it. It's very important. So, let me just leave it there for now. Second, thank you for saying that we don't have to. Thank you for allowing us to be part of this project. Third, thank you for allowing me to be a part of this project. Now, open the box. I actually, everything has like instructions on it. So, open the box. Oh, okay. So, I'm opening the box. Fourth, some of the nougat is hard, very hard. Be careful, because after having eaten that much sugar in the last week, your teeth might go porous or probably non-existent by now. My partner's grandfather was a nougatier, traditional nougat maker in Montélimar, which is the official capital of nougat. Montélimar, I hope I said it right. Even Google had built an Android monument there when Android Nougat had been released. So I thought this is appropriate yum yum for you and your family. Enjoy it. Inspect the part, which is in the box with the nougat. This is, all mail should be like this. So we have part number 77, very beautifully printed in red. Fifth, the part is printed with filament at a temperature that was higher than the ambient. My printer has a nozzle and lots of bigger and smaller parts. It's a great printer. I really recommend it. So It's probably one of those, like one of the best printers on the market, I'm quite sure. Last but not least, the bill inside the envelope is for the kids you mentioned in one of your first mural unpacking video. I know I don't have to, but I can. I wanted to, and now I already did, so deal with it. Take the bill out of the envelope. Oh, dude, that's like 100 euros. Dude, I'm gonna be so happy giving this money away. Thank you, dude. Thank you so much. You have no idea how happy I am to see this, because this charity is the world to me. I owe them so much for how much they helped me, so thank you. One more thing. If from now on I don't see the procrastinators played somewhere in the background of your videos, I will be seriously offended. Just kidding. Or maybe not. Do you really want to find out? Greetings from France. Your Patreon, Jean-Michel, aka Cool Cow. Oh, okay, all right, cool. Cool Cow. I know who you are, dude. Thank you so much, man. P.S. The file for the plate will be published on my Thingiverse page. Leave links in the video description. I don't know if you are a Doctor Who fan, but there is also a TARDIS model too. This was the first most complex design I made on Onshape. I am still somewhat proud of it, but for some reason I didn't have the success I expected and was hoping for. Maybe it will, now that you mentioned it in your video. So there you go, has TARDIS. I need to print a TARDIS. Jean-Michel, dude, thank you for everything. It humbles me to the moon and beyond, so thank you very much. The money, I promise you, will be it will be used to such a good cause I can't even begin to explain. For those of you who are interested to know what this charity is, it's called Putina Cares. I'm going to leave links in the video description. It's a charity that helps kids with cancer. What happens is in Malta, treatment is very limited. So Putina Cares buys property in London. They build housing estates in London, in Surrey, and any family that needs treatment in the UK, which usually happens at the Royal Marsden Hospital, they fly them over and then they host them there for the duration of their treatment. And I've had a family member who needed help and they offered it. Not even the government offered that much help. So it is really imperative that for us Maltese, we help charities like this. So thank you very much. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. How's that? That okay? I love this. I absolutely love this. Well done. Okay, so that is it for today. I truly hope that my camera was okay. My lab seems still switched on, so I don't have to record that again. And I think everything went really well. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. As I mentioned before, in the next couple of days, I'm going to be uploading a bit of a more technical video of something I made in Arduino for the first time ever, like from scratch. I built it myself. My idea, I think. I don't know if anyone else has done it. I didn't see it. That's why I made it. So yeah, I'm just polishing up the code to make sure that it's fine and working. It's going to be a version 1. I will be iterating the model because I want to include a few more things. And I think it's going to be awesome. I think it's going to be awesome. We'll see. We'll see when it comes out. So thanks once again for watching, guys. Thank you for participation. Thank you for taking the time to send me all these awesome things and taking part in the mural project. I truly, truly appreciate it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and as always, happy making, guys.